Today's wig comes from Hermosa Hair. They sent me a curtain bang wig. Let's unbox it. We gotta look at the wig first. I have it in 24 inches. Oh, y'all, not base. Oh, come on, Hermosa. I mean, this is actually crazy. Have y'all ever received a wig that has rollers in it? Like, set you up. I love this. I absolutely love this. Y'all ever received a wig that already got rollers in it? I'm living. Okay. And then we got some other goodies to prep for the actual install. Melt band, wig cap. Gotta have the wig cap. These are so cute. And y'all know I'm a press-on girly. If you don't know, now you know. They're cow print. This is so cute. I probably will trim them down some because I don't want them that long. And then some lashes. And look at this. This is too cute. But y'all are here for this. Y'all are here for the wig. Y'all are here for the install. As am I. I want to see what these curtain bangs are talking about, what they're working with. So let's get her installed, and then we're going to come back at the end and let you guys know what I thought about the install process, what I think about the quality of the wig, overall rating. Let's get started.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Alright, y'all, this is the finished look. I'm going to go do my makeup right fast and then come back with the details. But the curtain bangs are cute and slaying. Makeup's done, and here is the finished look with today's wig. What do we think? Rating wise for me, I'm going to give it like 8.5 out of 10. I like it. I kind of really want to add like extra layers, but I don't want to cut the wig. I want y'all to see what it looks like literally out of the packaging without me doing anything extra to it. Of course, like I did comb it out and do my own curls, but I want you to see like what you're gonna get in terms of length and layers. This is what it is. So if you want anything extra, you're gonna have to add that yourself. Now, the hair is super full. I think this is a very nice density. Like, it really has some good girth to it. Like, it's actually really full. And they definitely did a good job applying the curtain bangs in there. They're perfect. They're not too thin. Of course, if you want to thin them out, feel free to do so. But I feel like they come with the perfect fullness to it. Of course, you might have to play around with it to get it to fall how you want it to. I did with mine. I went in with my little curling wand and curled them a little bit so I could get them to fall perfectly into my face like this without being like a bother. And then of course y'all gotta see what that back action looks like. That's what the back of the unit looks like. Nice and full. Fits really well on the head. I feel like I'm more on the bigger headed side. I normally can fit units that are 22.5 and I think 23 is normally when you get into like larger head sizes. Mainly because my natural hair is not always flat underneath my wigs, and so I normally need more space, and I really do just have a big noggin, but it fits good. And then they do have that adjustable band in there so you can adjust it and make it fit your head a lot more snug if you want to. I didn't adjust it at all when they came out the packaging, and it is fitting just right. You do have a complete hairline to work with, like lace exposure. So if you want to use like a hairspray to hold it in place, a lace spray to hold it in place, feel free to do so, or you can decide to wear it glueless. You saw that I did add some bronzer to the hairline a little bit just so that light lace wouldn't be peeking through. I kept mine with the middle part, but y'all, since it does technically have lace throughout, you can give yourself a side part. I just don't know how that's gonna work out considering that it's curtain bangs. Feel free to do so, but y'all know like I love middle parts, so this is fully a jam for me. I want to wear it like it is though for a little while, like this, and then I do intend to do a full color to this wig. Let's go into the recommendation for a purchase. Absolutely, I would recommend trying this one out, especially if you haven't tried curtain bangs. Try it out, because you might get you some shorter bangs that frame your face and be like, oh, this is a look on me. You gotta try it out. That is the wig collection. But anywho, that is the end of today's video. If I did not answer some questions for y'all in this video, in this review, please leave them in my comment section and I will happily respond and let you guys know the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Hermosa Hair for sending today's unit over, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.